Wanted to move your business and not sure how to change your business address? Well, this is a quick and easy solution. You would simply go to bit.ly/bizmailchange. That's bit.ly/bizmailchange. And this will allow you to get to the USPS office where you could then select individual, family, or business in this case. If your entire business is moving, you're going to go ahead and click yes, and then you will enter the business name. If you have multiple DBAs, you'd select here to add the business name aliases along with your email address, phone number, letting them know if you plan to change your address again back in the next 6 months, if you do or don't, when you'd like to start forwarding, your current address, your new address, and then it will prompt you to put in a payment to verify. The payment is going to be between $1 and $5 for identity verification. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to this channel if you found value. We'll see you in the next one.